Hey guys, it's Diane from DianeHochman.com, and I want to give a big shout out. First of all, I'd like to point out I probably took a too light of a color. We have Lips by Amy today, the gorgeous Amy Titmus. But I picked a light color, Amy, for the video. I think I should have gone with the red, the Larry choice. Maybe next video I'll do a little something a little more glam. But I am shiny. Look, very pretty. Get with Amy. It's Mary Kay. Pink. It's appropriate. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to Michael Exford. Hello, Michael. How are things over there? And he asked me about autoresponder list series. And so I want to talk about when should I create a series and when should I, oh, did I tell you guys to go to DianeHochman.com and put your name and email in? I don't remember if I did. I was busy playing with lips. Okay, so when should I create a pre-written series and when should I write live broadcasts? Now, if you're not familiar with an autoresponder, don't worry. You can contact me. Just email me, Diane@DianeHochman.com, and I'll tell you which autoresponder service I particularly like. I have one that I've been using for, I don't know, I think like 8 years now. There's a bunch of them, but I'll tell you the one I use. And so most of the time when you opt into a sales page or a page that's for cold market, via advertising, etc., they have a pre-written series. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer or you're marketing with different organizations, a lot of times they have pre-written letters that they'll provide to you, written by professional copywriters. So check with the people that you're working with and find out if there is an autoresponder series that's proven, that's working, that you can use. If not, you want to sit down and probably write. I would say you need at least 10 letters, but really a heck of a lot more because you want to make sure that your prospects that opt in are getting followed up on a regular basis. It does take a little time and skill to learn how to write letters that will actually convert for you. So I'm going to show you my alternative, what I started to do when I didn't know anything about that. I didn't know anything about copywriting, where a technique that you can really start from scratch and then work up. And, if you care to, you can become a pretty good writer. I think I have over the years. People tell me that the letters are pretty good, and they do sell. But, I was able to sell with letters from the beginning. So what I personally do is I write everything to my list live. What I do is I have one letter when people opt in, one welcome letter, because you have to have something in the follow-up series. And then I write to my list live, pretty much, I like to do it on a daily basis, but I don't always get to do it every single day. So I probably do it 4 to 6 times a week. I don't think there's been a week in a while that I've done it every single day. Some weeks I'm a little lazy and it's 2 or 3 times, and other weeks it's every day, or sometimes if I'm really ambitious I might write twice in a day. But what I do is I write in real time about contemporary things that are happening. So I have an outcome for the letter. What I want them to do might be that I want them to come to a webinar tonight, or I want them to watch a video, or I want them to take a look at a product, whatever it may be. And I write a letter. And sometimes the letter is as simple as, hey guys, I just found this video. You really want to watch it? Oh, by the way, it shouldn't be guys. It should be, hey you, or hey, because you're only writing to one person. So it shouldn't be in plural, because only one person's reading it at a time. So I just, it could be, hey, I just found this great video. Take a peek. If you have any questions, contact me, Diane. I mean, that could be the letter. It could be that simple. Nowadays, sometimes I write some more eloquent, longer letters. The letter could be an invitation to a live event. And then a lot of the organizations that you work with will provide you with what's called swipe copy. So they're giving you the copy usually a day or 2 before an event or something, so you can throw it into your autoresponder and send it out as a broadcast. Now, the reason why I particularly like writing live is because I can be very responsive to what's going on. If the Oscars were last night or something, I could talk about who won the Oscars, or if it's snowing, or if, something's going on in the world. People can tell that the letters are real and authentic because I wrote them in real time, where if you write the letters ahead of time, they kind of have a canned feel to them. People can generally tell the difference. So it's your choice, but I recommend that if you're new, see if you can find an autoresponder sequence from someone that you work with. and then practice writing some of these broadcasts yourself and mix it up. Maybe spread out the pre-programmed letters and so that you could fit in some broadcasts in the middle. And eventually, you may want to be like me and write live. I really love it. It's created an extremely responsive list. The reason why I'm doing this, and shout out to Michael, is because I sent out a letter to my list today and said, hey, what do you guys want me to talk about? I'm going to do some videos. So it's very responsive, and it gives me a relationship with the community. So it's very powerful. So hopefully that answers your question. Guys, learning to write copy takes a little time. I want you to be patient with yourself. I want you to find some leaders that you like their copy and maybe set yourself up a folder and save some of their letters. Guys, don't take other people's letters. I've had people do that to me. It feels really crummy. They've literally stolen my letters to sell the same thing as me and compete with me. It's just kind of crummy to do. You don't want to do that, but you can look to people's copy for inspiration and ideas. And the more good copy you read, the better you will become at writing your own. And it just takes time and practice. So don't hesitate to get started today, guys. Build that list, write that list. And even if it's, hey, how you doing? Come to the thing tonight. That's enough. Believe it or not, you can get response with something that simple. So hopefully that helped. Guys, if you love marketing and you're building your business and you want more good stuff, stop by DianeHochman.com. See, Amy gave me lip gloss, so I'm like busy playing with it here. Stop by DianeHochman.com. Make sure you put in your name and email, because then that way, the next time I say send in questions, maybe it's you I'm giving the shout out to. I'd love to answer yours. We'll see you soon. Take care.